Day 3 of Mobile World Congress comes to an end, and today I have an energy theme. Now, energy efficiency and sustainability is an underlying theme throughout the week, and you see all the changes in software efficiency, changing hardware architectures. Look at all the capabilities in Wi-Fi 6. But 3 energy-specific things stood out today. 1, fuel cells replacing diesel. Second one, dual distribution networks. And the third one is silicon fluidic cooling. Now, first one. I met up with GenCell on the Deutsche Telekom booth. GenCell provide hydrogen fuel cells based on their alkaline fuel cell technology. And basically, instead of having a diesel generator for your off-grid or backup generator at a telco tower, you have a fuel cell powered by hydrogen. So again, check that out and watch for a lot more of that in the future. Second one, dual distribution networks. I met up with KelTech IoT, an Irish company. Their concept is that you have one network, one cable that provides both your data and your power. Now think low voltage DC power. So you have the concept of being able to set up a low voltage microgrid, be that for street lighting, be that for powering some small cells, be that for powering your office. But again, interesting. And the third one, silicon fluidic cooling. Now, this was a company called Corintis out of Switzerland. They are a seed startup company, but think liquid cooling, but not liquid cooling outside or around the CPU, but actually down on into the silicon layers on top of the chip. It's different. Now, as I say, they're a seed startup. They're working with some of the large silicon manufacturers and proving out the technology, but in terms of something different, it's different. Anyway, they were my last takes. I'm not here tomorrow, but I have a lot of stuff to post out, so it's been fun.